Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia T21 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then you need to type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send over here on Nokia next to Receive, and Receive next to Send at the bottom of your Android. Also on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Nokia tablet. Finally, you can click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and then click on Send next to selected. You can also just click on the chosen files. Now select Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android next to Input key. Then choose while using the app or only this time, and point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to, you can always input this key over here instead by tapping on Input key section, typing in all of those numbers, and finally clicking on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, sorry a typo, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!